Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome back to Daily Crypto News. It's May 10th, Friday. I'm your host today, Sarah. 1/3 of May is also gone. I feel like the time is flying. I don't remember how Q1 has passed. How are you doing? I'd love to hear from you. DM us on Substack or leave comments on Twitter and talk to us. Let's get started. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, along with co-authors Sam Wilson, Ansgar Dietrich, and Matt Garnett, proposed Ethereum Improvement Proposal EIP 7702 to improve account abstraction on the Ethereum network. You might know what account abstraction is, but this proposal kind of outlined the whole core function of it. EIP 7702 proposes a new transaction type that allows an externally owned account, EOA, a regular Ethereum account address, to temporarily act as a smart contract wallet during a transaction and be restored to its original state afterwards. Specifically, the proposal aims to achieve compatibility with ERC 4337, another broad standard for smart contract wallets that is considered the definitive versions of account abstraction. You remember those protocols that provide gasless transactions, batch transactions? They're all possible because of this account abstraction function. Revisiting the concept of account abstraction, it's known to allow wallets to operate as smart contracts themselves, enabling a number of sophisticated features such as multiple levels of authentication, wallet recovery, and the flexibility for users to transact with any tokens. It's thanks to this proposal that we've been able to develop tools like gasless transactions, like I said, batch transactions, and you could choose any token for paying gas as well. The proposal is a bit of a mouthful, but it's a cool development. There was a funny tweet about this EIP, was that Vitalik came up with the proposal in 22 minutes, according to the Ethereum, internal Telegram group chat. I'll put that tweet in the show note as well. Ethereum Layer 2 protocol Arbitrum surpassed $150 billion in transaction volume on the decentralized exchange Uniswap. Arbitrum is the first Layer 2 to pass that threshold on the DEX, Uniswap Labs wrote in a social media post on Monday. Blockchain data tracker DeFi Llama shows Arbitrum's total value locked, the TVL, as $2.64 billion, making it the largest Layer 2 by TVL and the fifth largest protocol by TVL behind the Layer 1s Solana, BSC, Tron, and Ethereum. I think you guys will see our weekly roundup this week, and I kind of butchered Arbitrum. Like, what is the point of Arbitrum? But congratulations on Arbitrum. If you know any cool projects on Arbitrum or why we should take another look of Arbitrum, please feel free to email me at sarah@dailycryptonews.net. The native token of Arbitrum, on the other hand, token ticker ARB, is trading around $1.05, according to CoinMarketCap as of writing, 4:30 a.m. EST. The investment management firm Vaneck has expanded into meme coin sector with the launch of its new market vector meme coin index, MEMECOIN. This index, available through Market Vector Indexes, monitors the performance of the leading 6 meme coins. Meme coin, and I'm referring to that index ticker, primarily operates as a modified market cap weighted index, limiting each meme coin's influence to 30% to promote diversification and mitigate risks. They have these 6 meme coins in the index: Dogecoin, which has 30.64% weight, and Shiba Inu with 28.01% weight. Coming up next is Pepe, 14.18% weight, and WIF, 13.29% weight, and Floki, 7.17%, Bonk, 6.21% weight, respectively. Vaneck said this index is only for entertainment purposes only, but I'd say there will be people using this for their own investment strategy. In today's Asia Focus, I have 2 different news. Let's start with Japan. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Coincheck expects to complete its listing on NASDAQ through a merger with special purpose company Thunder Bridge Capital Partners IV, and their ticker is THCP in the second or third quarter this year. This timeline, of course, is subject to approval by Thunderbridge IV shareholders and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SSC and NASDAQ. Upon completion of the merger, Coincheck, whose HQ is in the Netherlands, will be renamed to Coincheck Group and will list on the NASDAQ Global Select Market under the ticker CNCK, joining Coinbase as the only cryptocurrency exchanges listed in the United States. The Coincheck exchange currently has a 24-hour trading volume of about $53 million. It is ranked at 46th according to CMC. Today's another article for our Asia focus goes to Hong Kong. And this article is to show a couple different sides of the crypto scene in Hong Kong. And it's the one that really spoke to me. I've been worried about crypto market in Hong Kong for quite some time now, and you'll know that. And it's not even over yet either. It's been an eventful few years for Hong Kong in many ways, but if we could just limit ourselves to crypto scene, we can name a few different news stories. Scammers at a couple of high-profile exchanges, the lack of popularity after the launch of spot ETFs, etc. And yet, ironically, the crypto industry in Hong Kong seems to be booming. Hear me out. Let me tell you a story. I was recently talking to one of my Chinese friends about his introduction to crypto. And of course, after the beginning of this bull market, a lot of people suddenly got very interested in crypto and crypto investment to be specific, and ask about what coin to buy, how much I should buy, what kind of price target I should set, etc. And this guy was also the same, and he lives in mainland China. But when he tried to buy a Bitcoin, he said it's very, very hard, like almost too impossible inside China. But when he went to Hong Kong, and you know, right now, Hong Kong is very easy to get to. It's like going to another city in Hong Kong. You don't need a special visa to visit Hong Kong. It's like going to just another city in China mainland. Anyways, he said, oh my God, it's just so easy. There are OTC shops everywhere you go, and if you just have money, then you can buy USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it, and even at a pretty good rate. Of course, by easy, I mean that it was easy to go through KYC or even no KYC, and you could see a variety of payment method to buy cryptocurrencies. So back to this article on DL News. I've been reading this reporter Kaelin's articles for quite a while, and at first, it made me think that the cryptocurrency industry in Hong Kong is tilting maybe, and then now I could see Hong Kong with two faces. There are a lot of things happening in terms of regulations from the mainland and the influence of it. And it definitely made it difficult to deal with cryptocurrency. But there are still many international conventions, conferences, meetups in Hong Kong, and it's still the place where many crypto entrepreneurs go. Of course, you can't generalize a region and say in black and white that it's pro-crypto or against crypto. But it was interesting to me to see the two sides of Hong Kong that this reporter has also seen. We see this bizarre mixture of Hong Kong being still the crypto hub, but with a lot of uncertainty and crypto rogues, if you will. By the way, my Chinese friend bought 0.5 BTC in one go, which was also his first time buying. This number, 0.5 BTC, I don't know how much you guys own with BTC, and this number may seem small to some people, but I think it's a big number. I think it's indicative of the buying power of retail Chinese investors. That's all for today. Now let's see how the markets are doing.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
If you see the fear and greed index, we see 66 still in the greed status. And let's go to the coin market cap for the major cryptocurrencies by market cap. We see on number one, Bitcoin, the price is $62,950.02, up 2.68% within 24 hours. And number two, Ethereum, $3,035.45, up 1.77%. Number three, Tether USDT, $1, 0.06% up. Number four, BNB, $595.09, 0.75% down from yesterday. And number five, Solana, $153.92, 7.23% up since yesterday. Number six, USDC, $1, 0.02% up. Number seven, XRP, $0.5166, and it is 0.18% down. Number eight, Toncoin, token ticker TON, $6.84, 13.42% up since yesterday. Number nine, Dogecoin, DOGE, $0.1521, 4.28% up. And number 10, Cardano, token ticker ADA, $0.4649, and it is 2.58% up since yesterday. And if you see the chart of last 7 days, I can see that Toncoin and Solana is kind of in the uptrend move. FYI. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in today as well. Hope you learned something with me at Daily Crypto News. Share your feedback, opinion, news to Sarah at dailycryptonews.net. Have a great weekend, and until Monday, happy hodling, everyone.